Hello guys, welcome to another video. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to repair Office 365 on Windows 11. So it's very easy. Just go to Start menu and click on Setting, and then choose from the left menu Apps and Install Apps, and go scroll down and find Office 365, this one for example, and on the left side you have three dots. Click on that and click on modify. Okay, once you click on modify, you will receive this uh, this one. Okay, there are two options, which is uh, fast reparatur and online reparatur. Just click on online and click on repair. Okay, it's very easy. Just click on that. Once you clicked, uh, it will ask you again. Click on that and it will be repaired. It takes about 5 minutes. It depends actually. Yeah, that's how you can repair Office 365 on Windows 11. That's it, guys. Thank you so much. If you have any question, just drop them in the comment section and I will be very happy to help you out with that. See you in the next video.